Welcome to Bizzymind tutorials and entertainment. Today we want to learn how to center an audio player on your web page. As you can see on the screen, I have my basic HTML structure. Of course, I'm using Notepad++, but you can use any text editor you're comfortable with. You can see this is my body tag. I have my body, so we're going to be placing the audio player inside our body, which is the main part of our website. So you can see there's nothing there in between my body tags. There's nothing there right now. So let's run it for us to see. Let's run it in our browser, so for us to see that there's nothing present in our body right now. So as you can see, this is my browser. This is Google Chrome. It has opened my web page. It's blank. There's nothing on it. So let's go back to our text editor now, which is Notepad++. Let's go back now so that we can start displaying our audio player and as well making it center at the middle of the page. So right now, let's now write our tag for our audio player. So we are creating a div element now. So our div ID, we're going to be calling it let's say audio player. So that's our div ID. So we're closing the div now, so that in our CSS we can style it if you want to style it, if you want to give it a different style in CSS. So you have to always give your div an ID or a div class as well. So now let's write our basic HTML5 audio player here. So we write it audio controls. This is to add the controls, your play button, your stop button, and all that. That's what we're writing. So let's close our tag audio. So that's that. Now in between our audio tags, we're going to be writing. So in between our audio tags now, let's put in our song. So first you write source src equal to so we're going to be putting in the title of our song. So the title of our song is Go Home. So you make sure it's case sensitive. Make sure the title of your song, the way you have it in your file, you have it on your computer, that's how you're going to be writing it. So if it is uppercase, later you have to put it that way. If it is lowercase, you put it that way. So I have my go home.mp3. So you have to write a type, which is audio/mpeg. So we are specifying our type of file. It's an audio file. So that's how we're going to be needing to display. This is just the basic lines you need to display an audio player on your web page. So if you view this now, so you have to save it first. If you view this now on your browser, so let's run it so we can see it in our Google Chrome. So you run it, you can see, look at our audio player, the basic HTML audio player. This is what you have on your screen on your web page. This is your volume control, this is your stop and play and all that. So that's that, and that's the timer. That so you can see it's at the left side of the screen. So let's make it appear at the middle of the web page. So we'll go back to that line now and add something. So you can add div align. So you come here now and add one line here to make it be at the middle of the web page. So you say div align center. So yeah, this is going to make the web page appear at the middle. This is going to make the web, of course, you have to close it as well. You have to close it. So this is going to make the audio player appear at the middle of the web page. So you close it. So that's all you need. So you have to save. So you save so you had it after adding this line, you save it, then you go back to your Google Chrome to preview it. You'll see that the audio player has moved from the left side of your screen of the web page to the middle of the web page. So we have saved it now. So let's go and run it now and preview it. You can see. You can see now. So you can see that it's now at the middle of the web page. So that's how you basically display. You can see we didn't add any CSS. It's as simple as that. It's just basically HTML. You don't need CSS, except you want to have some other styling, of course. But that's how you basically add this.